Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Apex Legends while playing the game or just after launching the game. You get a stuttering right in the main menu while changing the modes. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have installed the game onto an HDD, make sure you uninstall it and then install the game into the SSD only. Nextly is you need to change the launch options. So for that, launch your EA Play, click on this three dot icon and choose the option properties. Now here you will find the option of launch options. Go ahead, type in -DX11. Once you are done so, click on the option save. Now close it and relaunch the game. Now if you are still getting stuttering in the main menu, again click on this three dot icon, choose the option properties. This time into the launch options you need to type in another command. This command I will share you in the description of this video. Simply copy and paste right over here by pressing the Ctrl+V key, then hit the save option. Close it. Now go ahead and relaunch the Apex Legends to fix out the stuttering in main menu. Now if this fixes doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting steps. In next step, if you have installed Norton antivirus, any kind of VPN like Norton VPN or NordVPN, and especially the Norton Game Optimizer, if you have turned it on, make sure you turn it off. I recommend to completely uninstall any kind of Norton services, any kind of Game Optimizer and GeForce Experience if you have an NVIDIA GPU. After installing these three things, relaunch the game and this will instantly fix out the issue of stuttering in main menu while starting the Apex Legends. Now if this also failed, let's proceed with the third step. In third step, you need to turn off the NVIDIA overlays. To do so, launch your NVIDIA control panel and in the general tab, you will find the option of in-game overlays. Turn it off. If you have installed Discord, launch the Discord, go to the settings and from the left pane, choose the option game overlay and then the option of enable in-game overlay must be toggle off. Once you have done so, close it. And thirdly is, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, turn off G-Sync, and if you have an AMD GPU, turn off FreeSync, again by going to the settings of your control panel. Once you have done these changes, relaunch the game to fix out a stuttering issue. However, if all this method fails, let's proceed with the last step. Head over to this PC, C drive, users, your own username, and here find a folder with the name saved games. Open it, right click on respawn folder and choose the option delete. Once deleted, if you are using Steam or Epic Launcher, make sure you do not play the game using the Steam or Epic games. You need to use EA Play application. Again I am telling you to use only the EA Play app, install the Apex Legends right in this EA Play and then launch the game, and this will instantly fix out the issue of stuttering in the main menu while starting the Apex Legends. However, if none of the method fails, the issue is already known to the developer of the game and they are already working on it to fix out the stuttering issue while playing the Apex Legends. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.